Received this from a company called Ranein, and it's a portable tankless gas water heater. Now, to be honest, I'm not 100% sure what this exactly does. I have a feeling it's going to be good for camping and being outdoors, certain areas where you want to have some hot water. Maybe an endless bath with nothing but warm water flowing. I have no idea, but guess what? We're going to find out in this video together and see what it does. Here we go. Oh my gosh, that is really hot. Ha! What? Look, can you see the heat coming off this thing? This thing is like super hot. Nice and warm here. This is the max spray. It has a lot of power to it. This will definitely give you a nice shower. Or if you're trying to do dishes when you're camping, you need some hot water here. This thing does it all. I love it. You can change the head on here. It's more of a like a lot of sand on your feet or something, and use a harder stream. Which right now it's on minimum spray, so it's kind of just trickling out here, but that's where it's hottest. This little setup I have here, where I went to Home Depot and bought some additional hardware, it works pretty well, and there's a place I camp at where they have water hookups, and this would be perfect for it. And now since I'm doing it, I'm thinking about like my pool, rinsing off with cold showers. It's horrible, but with this thing, set it up, get a nice warm shower before you jump in the cold pool. I like that. If you're interested in this, see the link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I think it's time to take a shower and go for a dip myself. See ya.